Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my Minecraft mansion, and hopefully we can relate it to area and perimeter. So this is the outside of my mansion. I'm going to take you around it so you can see. This took me a long time to build, so let's go inside. And we walk into the foyer. I'm going to shut that door so no creepers come in here. So this is the foyer, just kind of a sitting room. And we can walk right through here and get into the main part of the house. So, as you notice, this is kind of an empty room that connects to all the other rooms in the house. So we're just going to go room by room and kind of look around at this mansion. So here we have maybe a little living room, sitting room, whatever you want to call it. And the first thing you will notice is the windows. And they are composed of square units. Let's say they are square feet, because that's usually what a house is measured in, is square feet. So, we're going to count this together. Area is length times width. Remember, width is side to side, and length is up and down. So let's measure the width. Let's count here. 1, 2. The width is 2. Let's measure the length up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5 and the width is 2. If you multiply those two numbers together, which is how you find area, how many square feet is that window? If you said 10 square feet, you are correct. Now, different and separate from area is perimeter, where you go around the edge. Now we said the area was 10 square feet. Well, perimeter, we want to add every single side. So we said that this window was 2 square feet wide, and let's see how long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if this side's 5, this side must be 5 as well. So we've got 5, 2, which is 7, plus 5 more would be 12, and then the final 2 on this side would make it, that's right, the perimeter of this window is 14 feet, and we don't put square feet because that's not area. I'm talking about the outside edge. The inside, all of the square units, that's the area. So again, the perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 feet. But the area, which is the inside, is square feet. And we have 10 square feet. One last thing you'll notice about this room is this little design in the floor. This white in the middle, we could say that's a rectangle. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2. Just like the window. This white space takes up the same amount of area as this window. So hopefully we can get Minecraft on your computers one day, and you'll get to build rooms like this, and you can calculate the area in the square feet. So I want to know the area of this whole room, the floor, the surface area first. So to do that, we've got to find the length and the width. So let's count the width. Help me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The width of this room is 8 feet. So let's figure out the length, the other direction. And I could have chose that side too, but I'm going to choose this one. Let's count the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there is a box under that, which would make it 11. The length of this room is 11 feet. So to find the area of this entire room, black and white tiles, we would multiply length times width, which was 8 times 11. Can you tell me the square footage of this room? That's correct. When you multiply 11 times 8, you get 88 square feet. So we're actually going to leave this room now. I think I'll put a sign first with the area. Area equals 88 square feet. And actually, before we leave, let's find the perimeter. If this side was 8, that means this side is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if this side was 11, that means this side was 11. So to find the perimeter, we add all the sides. 11 plus 11 plus 8 plus 8. Go ahead and tell me what the perimeter of this room would be. So, to find the perimeter, we would do 11 plus 11, which would be 22, plus 8 would be 30, and then plus 8 more would be 38. I didn't mean to do that. 38 feet. I'm trying to put a sign here. Perimeter equals 38 feet. So we've got two different numbers here, 38 feet, 88 square feet. There is a difference between perimeter and area. All right, we're going to take a tour through the rest of the house. Okay, so let's go over to this room and have a look around. So we have another room with a cool little fireplace here and some big windows, a portrait. We have this little hidden door back here that takes you to the back side of the house. And we can go through here to go outside if we need to. And this is the little porch you saw from the back. Go ahead and tell me what the area of this window would be. Find your length and your width and multiply those two numbers together and tell me what the area would be. If you said 4 times 3 equals 12, you are correct. That is the area of that window. So I'm going to show you where that goes last. If we go back into this room, which I've really not made a room yet. Maybe it's just like a second living room. I don't know. If we go back into the main room, we can go across here into the bathroom, which is not completely finished. But as you see, here's a bathtub. I've not really put any water in it yet. But I wanted you to notice this square in the floor. Okay. This is 2 feet wide, 2 feet long. What would the area of this white center be? If you said 4 square feet, you are correct. Now I want to find the area of this entire room. So let's find the width. Help me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The width of this room is 8. Now the length, that side over there is 8 too, if this side's 8. Let's find the length. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this room is a perfect square because the width is 8 and the length is 8. Can you tell me the area of this room by multiplying the width and the length? If you said 8 times 8 is 64 square feet, you are correct. There are 64 square tiles on this floor. Now to find the perimeter, which is just around the edge, you add 4 numbers. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. What would the perimeter of this room be? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. If you said 32 feet, you are correct. So let's leave the bathroom and I'll show you what's up these steps. So this is kind of a little sunroom, I guess you could call it. This is the window that you just found the area outside. This is just another window to look outside. So if we go through here, this is actually my bedroom. Walk in through here, this is the bed. And if you get up here, you can look through the whole house through these windows. And if you go through these double doors, it actually takes you to the basement of the house. You have this empty room here and this long tunnel. Now I've not decided what I want to do down here. This really goes nowhere, but I thought about making a room down here. What do you all think? Tell me what I should make in the basement of this mansion. I've really not decided. So we're in the basement. This is the floor of the big room that we entered in. We're underneath it. So I can actually go through here and this just connects to the other side of the basement. This is also an empty room, maybe a storm shelter. I've not really decided what to do with this room, but you can go through here and it takes you outside. So I'm going to go back inside and we're going to go through this fireplace den room. I'm going to show you where that other door goes. I'm going to go ahead and close my bedroom door. This door goes to the upstairs. And I've really not done anything with this room either. It's just kind of a giant upstairs. This is the roof. That took forever to build. You can walk through here. There's some bats. How lovely. This is a skylight that looks down into the foyer. What is the area of this skylight? Yep, you gotta be 16 to drive a 4x4 truck because 4 times 4 is 16. So this is the front porch. You can kind of look down here and see if there's any visitors. But I've really not done anything with this upstairs yet. Here's a window that looks outside. So I don't really know what to do with this room. Maybe I'll make it a game room. I don't know yet. I'm not done. So there's one last stop we're going to make today. I need to go back down the stairs. And I'm going to show you a trap door that I'm going to trap Austie with. It says free Austie treats inside. So he's going to walk in here and it looks like this is just a pattern in the floor, but actually it's hollow and he is going to walk through here and fall down into an eternity of darkness. He's going to try to run across here looking for his Austie treats. And that will be the end of Austie. So you saw a door back here that just connects to this hallway that goes out the back door. Right now it's currently nighttime outside. So that is a very quick tour of my Minecraft mansion. I'm not done with it. Hopefully, if we can get Minecraft on your all's Chromebooks, you all can build rooms like this too. And we're going to put the area and perimeter of each room.
Does Mr. Cole really think I'm going to fall for that? Seriously? Ooh, free ice cream. What is this place? This isn't ice cream.